How to delete your Facebook account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily delete your Facebook account. Now, deleting your Facebook account is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to go ahead and open up Facebook and then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen and then head into settings. Once under settings, you want to head into the very first option that says Account Center. Under Account Center here, what you want to do is under Account Settings, there you can see you'll find the option that says Personal Details. You want to tap on it, and there you'll find Account Ownership and Control. Under Account Ownership and Control, now you want to tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Select your Facebook account that you wish to delete, and then you want to simply tap on Delete Account and make sure that the blue dot is on the Delete Account option. You can read it there. Deleting your account is permanent. When you delete your Facebook, you won't be able to retrieve the content or information that you have shared on Facebook. Your main profile, your messenger, and all of your messages will also be deleted. However, it takes 30 days to delete your account. So if you delete your account now, if you tap on continue, enter in your password and head over to the process and complete the process, then your account will be up for deletion, but it won't be deleted up until 30 days. So if you want to get back to your account, or if you want to recover your account back again, all you have to do is head over to Facebook, login page, enter in your login credentials and tap on login, and it'll ask you to cancel the deletion. You want to tap on cancel and then you can log in back again. So this is how you can delete your Facebook account or cancel it as well. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.